Um, oh yeah. Yeah, we're on? Okay, hold on. Yeah, excuse me. So, this just in. We are going to be doing a free 8-day challenge to help you discover your dot, your ideal customer persona, right? The person who makes your heart sing. And so, when we look at people like Karen says that she would love to know how to reverse engineer her personality and that it would help revive the chance that she has to bring back life to not just her life but the lives of other women over 50 and caring for herself and looking nice again. And don't we all want to have that satisfaction, that confidence? So, if you also would like to learn how to reverse engineer your own personality so that you can use free tools to also reverse engineer the personalities of people you want to serve and to be able to choose your products and your wording more wisely, please go to TeresaOrnelas.com. Spelled TeresaOrnelas.com. TeresaOrnelas.com for your free 8-day chance to identify your own personality and reverse engineer it, discovering your ideal client. And that is a dog in the background. Good day.